What's up, guys? This video is to highlight the valved exhaust system on my 2020 Mustang GT. When we purchased this car, we did not get an active exhaust option, so that's probably our biggest regret when picking out the car. But other than that, we love it. We just wish we could control cold starts at certain times, not piss off the neighbors too much. So this system has given us that benefit. We can hit a button and cold starts in the morning or late at night, whatever. The car's quieter than stock. So same if you're driving down the road, you spot a cop, hit a button, now you're quiet. But other than that, we leave it wide open. It sounds amazing driving. I should say this car does have other mods. It's almost a full bolt-on car. It's got long tube catless headers, H-pipe, full 3-inch exhaust, E85, cold air intake, etc., throttle body. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys quick overview of how this system is installed, how it looks, and there's several sound clips, so enjoy the video. Alright guys, here's the finished installation part for the trunk area. There is the valved exhaust main control box. I did not have a cigarette lighter to plug into, which is what you'll get with the power cord on these systems. So I cut off before the cigarette plug-in and just hardwired it to an amplifier I had in the back. So I already had power there, so just utilize that. And then as you can see, here's the air hose. There'll be a grommet on Mustang trunks on the right side right there. I just drilled a hole big enough for the hose to slip through. Okay, so here's the other side of the grommet. I don't know if you can see this, it's hard to see under here, but there's a T that splits the main hose, and one goes to the right muffler, one goes to the left muffler. As you can see, once that floor cover of the trunk is in, which you may or may not want yours in, but once it's in, you can't even see that the system is in the trunk. So it's nice and clean.